Just put your hands up and down.
Why do you gotta start up and down when you never do that again?
Because she
Yeah, you
goes
do. Yeah, we
here,
They do it again.
down. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
That's
Smack.
how we do it. Down. No.
Yes, I can do this if you follow me.
You can do it.
You can do
Oh,
it.
nice.
If you follow me, wait.
She don't know how. Okay. See, this is how I taught my daughter.
I know how you roll. I know how you taught your daughter. Okay, ready?
Now clap. Now this one, and then this one.
You did good. I'm so proud of you.
I did good.
I'm so proud of you.
I did good.
Thanks.
I did
I'm
good.
retarded.
I am